Welcome back to Fumi015 RPM. If you are new to the channel, you've been missing out on a lot. Please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video on your WhatsApp statuses, let your friends know about the VW Golf 8.5 GTI. This is a car that is here to stay in South Africa. We have reached 4,000 subscribers and we are on the road to 5,000. If you are not part of this family, you are going to miss out on a lot. I repeat, I'm currently reviewing some of the most exciting cars in the country. The one that you're looking at on the screen is just one of them. I've reviewed this car when I was in Tzaneen last year. I'm currently based in Midrand in Gauteng. I saw this beautiful VW Golf 8.5 GTI in VW Midrand and I knew we could cook this one for the channel again. It doesn't really matter that we reviewed it in Tzaneen. It matters that we review it in another province. In a different kind of a review, let us have this excitement together. Fumi015 RPM is a YouTube channel dedicated to giving you the best car reviews. I present to you by the name Fumi. I am a former sales executive at BB Motors. If you simply want to be a smart shopper in the vehicle industry, you are in the right direction. Thank you for tuning in and please don't forget to subscribe. Before we go any further with the video, let me quickly remind you that this one is a facelifted version of the VW Golf 8 GTI. For the first time in a while, you get a lot of things as standard. A lot of these things that you should have been paying for as optional extras. On the Golf 8.5 GTI, you get them standard. Some of these top standard features include the front differential lock, adaptive chassis control, 19-inch Queenstown alloy wheels, IQ drive features, a massive 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Vienna leather sport seats that are heated and electrically adjustable, as well as a panoramic sunroof. Imagine all of what I've mentioned coming as standard on a Golf GTI. We are definitely going to have a nice conversation in this review. I'll tell you a lot more about these standard features as we go on with the video. There is basically a lot that I need to tell you. But one thing I can assure you right now, it doesn't really matter how often you see the Golf 8.5 GTI on the road, you definitely can never get tired of it. It is such a looker, a car for show off and show up. I don't think at the moment there is a Chinese vehicle that can match the charisma of this one. This one is just on a different league of its own. It has such a cult following in South Africa, or maybe even elsewhere in the world. GTI is a culture in South Africa. Some people use it to upgrade their lifestyle. Majority are very much attracted to the speed. Then there are those who are stealing other people's girlfriends with this car. We need to get together as a country and deal with those ones. But other than that, let us speak about the engine figures of this Golf 8.5 GTI. It has been added with 15 kilowatts of power. This means it is now at 195 kilowatts of power with the same Newton meters of torque, that is 370. This power is loaded in a 2-liter turbo petrol 4-cylinder TSI engine. It sends power to the front wheels via a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.9 seconds. The pre-facelifted Golf 8 was achieving that in 6.5 seconds, meaning that this one is 0.6 seconds quicker. It has a full capacity of 50 liters, full consumption of 7.1 liters in 100 kilometers, and a fuel range of 704 kilometers. Maximum speed is 250 kilometers per hour. Tell me now in the comment section, are you happy with the improvement on the engine? Let us have a conversation right now. More other improvements are done in the front face. This Golf 8.5 GTI will feature LED plus headlamps. This will also include an illuminated front logo, a strip between the headlights, front fog lights with cornering lights, GTI front bumper with large lower air intake and black honeycomb insert. LED daytime running lights are standard, of course. Front parking sensors are also standard. Front grille has been redesigned. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this front end. On the side view, as I've said, it comes standard with 19-inch alloy wheels. I think I like them when I'm closer to the vehicle, definitely not when the vehicle is far. Body colored exterior mirrors and door handles. GTI badge is found on the front end, on the front doors, as well as the rear end. A sporty roof spoiler comes standard. This is more than just a roof spoiler because it comes with black aerodynamic extensions, newly designed tail lamps, indicators that are very stylish. Take a look at how they do their thing. A reversing camera is standard. This also has a rear bumper with a black diffuser. I think we've been speaking too much about the exterior. Let us go into the interior and find out. A Golf GTI is not only about the speed, it is also about a lot of premium features in the interior. Let us try and find out as we go into the interior. Starting off here with the door, there is just so much rubber or leather that is found. You can literally feel a soft touch on the door. The door armrest comes with a lot of leather. Also, the quality of the door is just out of this world. VW took their time when they were crafting this one. When it comes to the seats, they all come in Vienna leather. That looks sort of beige. I'm just not sure if it will be easy to clean this one. These seats are written GTI, just a reminder that you are not in a normal Golf. There is so much difference between the driver's seat and front passenger seat. With the driver's seat, you've got a lumbar support, under thigh adjustment, height and backrest adjustment, as well as the back and forth adjustments. You do all that electrically. The seat is also heated. On the other side, when it comes to the front passenger seat, you basically adjust manually, and many of those things that I mentioned, you don't find them. However, none of that takes away the comfort that comes with all of the seats. The steering wheel is 3-spoke leather in design. That is a sports steering wheel. It has got audio, driver assistance and digital cockpit controls, heated with multiple heat level settings, height and reach adjustable. It also has gear shifting pedals. GTI badge is found on the bottom of the steering wheel. The buttons are no longer touch sensitive. It is the normal buttons that we all understand. Digital instrument cluster is 10.2 inch in size. It features multiple customizable views of speedometer, tachometer and navigation, while the infotainment screen is 12.9 inch in size. Satellite navigation is standard. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Vehicle function shortcuts are also in the infotainment screen. Dashboard is trimmed with a rubber that looks like a urethane, a cell phone tray with a wireless charging system, 2 USB-C ports, a start and stop button, another cell phone storage in here, gear knob instead of a gear lever, but even the Golf 8 came with this one. And it is not bad, guys. Don't look at it on the screen and think this is going to be a problem when you drive. It is such a convenient tool you can ever find in the modern vehicles. Electronic parking brake is also standard. This part of the center console is in piano black. It actually scratches easily, but it doesn't take away the fact that it is beautiful. A 12-volt socket that is next to twin cup holders which are practical. They've got the ability to grip your bottles or cups. Center armrest is standard. It is trimmed with a leather to make it soft. It also has an openable storage underneath. You open the sunroof with a touch sensitive button. You either slide it backwards or forward. Sun visors have got vanity mirrors and illumination. Seat belts are height adjustable. While I'm still here in the front seats, do you like the amount of light that is provided by the panoramic sunroof? Let me know in the comment section right now. Let me enter the rear space and find out what I can show you. The quality of the door is as good as the one in the front. Leg space and head space are very good. It is quite comfortable in here. Just that when you're seated in here, you're going to struggle with seeing the road ahead. That is because the entire space is taken up by these seats. The middle seat is definitely a no-go area. It is not comfortable at all. There are a lot of pockets behind the front seats. Your rear passengers are going to have it convenient in here. Middle seat can be turned into a center armrest that will come integrated with triple cup holders. If you want to get access to the boot space while seated in here, you are definitely able to do so. Isofix child seat mountings are available. A total of 6 airbags are found in here. Cruise control is standard. Remote central locking as well. Lane departure warning as an option. And a tire pressure monitoring system is standard. Let's go to the luggage area and speak about the space. The tailgate of the Golf 8.5 GTI is not electrically operated. You definitely do so manually. That is absolutely not a bad thing because it is not an SUV. It comes with a boot capacity of 374 liters. If you want more space, you can fold down the rear seats. You also get those twin loud tailpipes. There was no way I would finish this video without speaking about them. We are now at the part of the video where we should speak about the price. Let us have this conversation right now. For everything that I spoke about, you need only 908,000 rands on the dot. But if you can't afford it cash and want to finance it, let's do the calculations right now. 908,000 in 6 years with 0 deposit and 0 balloon payment at an interest rate of 10.25%. On a monthly basis, you're going to spend 16,936 rands. That is roughly the monthly installments you're going to pay for the Golf 8.5 GTI. It comes standard with 5 years 90,000 km service plan as well as 3-year 120,000 km warranty. Do you think the VW Golf 8.5 GTI is the car that you've been waiting for? Let me know right now in the comment section. Or you think it is a small boy and you want a Golf 8R? Let me also know about that in the comment section. Maybe I can get to do a review on it. We have reached the end of the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so now. Press the like button on the video and share this video with your WhatsApp friends.